That brings us to the very top of the stack, Microsoft Copilot. We built Copilot so that you have the ability to tap into world's knowledge as well as the knowledge inside of your organization and act on it. Now, Copilot has had a remarkable impact. It's democratizing expertise across organizations. It's having a real cascading effect, right? In fact, it reminds me like of the very beginning of the PC era where the work artifact and the workflow were all changing. And it's just, really having broad enterprise business process impact. It's lowering, I always say this, it's lowering both the floor and raising the ceiling at the same time for anything any one of us can do. Since no two business processes are the same, with Copilot Studio, you now can extend Copilot to be able to customize it for your business processes and workflows. Today, we are introducing Copilot connectors in Copilot Studio so you can ground Copilot with data from across the graph, from Power Platform, Fabric, Dataverse, as well as you now have all the third-party connectors for SaaS applications from Adobe, Atlassian, ServiceNow, Snowflake, and many, many more. This makes the process of grounding Copilot in first and third-party line of business data just a wizard-like experience, enabling you to quickly incorporate your own organizational knowledge and data. We're also extending Copilot beyond a personal assistant to become a team assistant. I'm thrilled today to announce Team Copilot. You'll be able to invoke a Team Copilot wherever you collaborate in teams, right? It can be in Teams, it can be in Loop, it can be in Planner, and many other places. Think about it, right? It can be your meeting facilitator when you're in Teams, creating agendas, tracking time, taking notes for you, or a collaborator writing chats, surfacing the most important information, tracking action items, addressing unresolved issues. And it can even be your project manager, ensuring that every project that you're working on as a team is running smoothly. These capabilities will all come to you all and be available in preview later this year. And we're not stopping there. With Copilot Studio, anyone can build Copilots that have agent capabilities and work on your behalf and independently and proactively orchestrate tasks for you. Simply provide your Copilot a job description or choose from one of our pre-made templates and equip it with the necessary knowledge and actions, and Copilot will work in the background and act asynchronously for you. Right? That's, I think, one of the key things that's going to really change in the next year, where you're going to have Copilots plus agents with this async behavior. You can delegate authority to Copilots to automate long-running business processes. Copilot can even ask for help when it encounters situations that it does not know much about and it can't handle. And to show you all of this, let's roll the video.
Redefine business processes with Copilot Studio. Create Copilots that act as agents, working independently for you. Simply describe what you want your Copilot to do. Easily configure your Copilot with the details it needs, like instructions, triggers, knowledge, and actions. Quickly test your Copilot before you deploy, and seamlessly publish across multiple channels. Watch it use memory for context, reason over user input, and manage long-running tasks. Copilot can learn from feedback to improve. And you're always in control. Put Copilot to work for you with Copilot Studio.
All around this stack is perhaps one of the most important things that we at Microsoft are doing, which is wrapping it with robust security. Security underlies our approach with Copilot, Copilot plus PCs, Copilot Stack. We're committed to our secure future initiative. You will see us make rapid progress across each of the 6 pillars of SFI, and the core design principles, right, which is secure by design, secure by default, and secure operations. You'll hear about throughout this conference, in fact, a lot more in Scott's keynote tomorrow, how it underlies everything that we build and everything that we do. So, coming to the close, I want to there are many announcements that you will hear about at Build, but I want to go back to, I think, the core of why we chose to be in this industry and why we come to work every day as developers, which is the mission ultimately of empowering every person in every organization. At the end of the day, it's not about innovation that is only useful for a few. It's about really being able to empower everyone. And it comes down to you all as developers and builders of this new world. For us, it's never about celebrating tech for tech's sake. It's about celebrating what we can do with technology to create magical experiences that make a real difference in our countries, in our companies, in our communities. Already this new generation of AI is having an incredible impact. Thanks to all of you, the passion you bring and the hard work you put in. And I want to leave you with this one unbelievable example of how you're all building a more accessible world, which means a lot to me, using our platform and tools. Thank you all so very much. Enjoy the rest of Build.
Audio description is something that enables me to be able to watch a program or a film and get as much out of it as everybody else who is sighted.
A white car drives down a road, hands on a steering wheel.
I see art as a collective good. I think everyone should be able to have access to art. Audio description really helps me get the full experience.
A portrait of a group of 17th century civic guardsmen in Amsterdam.
The challenge, though, is that there are limited amounts of audio descriptions being incorporated across media and entertainment.
Tech and AI have the potential to bring the blind and low vision community into the fold.
So at WPP, we really care passionately about opening up access to content to people in a way that they want to consume it. The tool that I've made is an application that allows you to upload videos, and on the other end with GPT-4 with Vision and as your AI services, you get your video back with spoken narrations over the top.
Kitchen scene with cat and Hellman's mayonnaise.
This makes audio descriptions cheaper and faster. Our goal is to be able to offer this product as a service for all of our advertisement campaigns.
There are so many artworks in the Rijksmuseum. There are almost 1 million. To describe ourselves, it would have taken hundreds of years. With AI, we can do this in a matter of hours.
The subject is a male with a reddish beard and mustache. Visible brushstrokes that add texture and movement.
The first time I heard audio descriptions, it just brought me delight. It was this opportunity of, oh my gosh, I'm seen. Through the power of AI, we're able to do things only dreamt about until recently.
When we strengthen our access to culture, we strengthen the culture itself, connecting our shared humanity.